this video, we will show you how to design an angle screw channel patient-specific abutment split file case with the Preat Choice Library in 3Shape. Begin by creating an order on the project page, choosing Custom Abutment and selecting the implant type from the Preat Choice Library, and Preat ASC type blank on the sub-menu options. Then click on Crown under Anatomy and proceed to the next step. Import your scans, which should include a scan of the mouth with and without scan body and an antagonist. Align the scan with the appropriate scan body, then click Next to begin the design process. The software will automatically generate a crown template. Use the Smile Composer tools to reposition, modify, and adapt as needed, making sure the context, shape, size, and orientation are to your liking. During the next step, 3Shape will generate a custom abutment for you. Adjust the abutment margin, emergence profile, and crown portion so it has the right shape, thickness, and vertical height, and to ensure there are no retentive areas which would prevent a crown from sitting on top. Adapt the emergence profile of the crown to match that of the abutment so there are no areas where food could be trapped. Verify that proper thickness exists, then click Next. Once you finalize the anatomy of the crown, turn on the blank setting to see a shell of the ASC tie blank. Rotate the shell until its window is in the general area where you wish to place the ASC channel. Then adjust the angulation of the channel vertically or horizontally to the optimal location within the sides and bottom of the window. You can extend beyond the top of the window to accommodate the full angulation range from 0 to 30 degrees off axis. Once satisfied, the design can now be finalized. Click Next to export the design and send both for milling.